Hi.
Sponsored by GCash 360 MOP conditioner, cream silk, Ariel, 3 condensed milk, Reno, Nestle cream, Book Makapuno, free grocery, sponsored by GCash 360 MOP. Downy, Keratin, Ariel, condensed milk, Reno, Nestle cream, Makapuno.
Latte Jesus Christus, pray be Jesus Christ.
Hey guys, today is the first day for me to do at 2026. So in the past few days I'm so busy. So what's up mga pangya? So this is me, I'm back, Maria. That is a migration of Macau. So now today my vlog is just going around. It's because for me it's holiday. What's up, party people? Roa de Ocampo. Time check, it's almost 6 in the evening. So now I'm here in Roa de Ocampo. As you can see, rush hour. People so busy right now. Today the weather is so cold. It's around 11 degrees. So as you can see, actually the weather, and there's no wind, but it's so cold. But it's okay. Oh, almost 300. No, will be less. But now it's because in the middle of winter, so that's why still pricey. But we'll see and wait until the weather or middle or will stop the not much cold. It will be less the price, but now it's so pricey. So wait until I have. As you can see, there's a lot of food here. See, all our boots because the weather so cold and middle of winter. That is the famous waffle here in Macau. See? Oh, another opening soon. Oh my gulay. So in the past few days since New Year, I did not taking my vlog, busy and sometimes I'm lazy to editing. You know, it's not easy the editing, just taking the vlog, it's so very quick, but the most is hard to do, it's editing. So now I'm here in San Malo. So cold, so people are wearing a very comfortable jacket or winter clothes. Rush hour, so that's why people are, all of them are so busy going home, and some people are just eat in restaurant, most of Chinese. That is the signature, as you can see, Hermes. Oh, this is my shoes. My shoes, McQueen. I'm not sure how much right now. The last time I checked, it's so expensive. Just see. How much? Elizabeth, Alexander McQueen. Oh, 37. 38. Almost. Gucci. Burberry. Yes, that is a very expensive signature branded. Decoration here in San Malo still did not change. Still the Christmas decoration. So we will change that, I think, this month for the Chinese New Year decoration. I don't know, I'm not sure, because this is for still in Christmas decoration. So supposed to be we have a event or Chinese New Year or Christmas season or any, we have a decoration changing, but it's still Christmas decoration. I'm wearing my favorite shoes. Very comfy and not feeling cold. Still my boots is not there, so I don't know what time my work tomorrow. So I'm going here buying for my load. Also we have souvenir. Something. There's a lot of souvenir. We'll see anywhere souvenir. This store always the bag is cheaper. Anisha. I'm going here. Looking a cheaper load. So guys, this is a church of Cathedral of the Nativity of Our Lady, Macau. So this is a small park near in church. So guys, this is my vlog for today. I hope you will enjoy this simple daily vlog, and thank you for watching. And please guys, subscribe my channel and like, share, and if you want to update to my latest upload, please click notification bell. And thank you for watching. Always remember, if you want to be happy, always smile and be nice to other people. Bye, see you on my next vlog. God bless. Thank you.